Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be taking a look at this Digiera SSD. This is a portable SSD with a magnetic attachment, so you can put this on the back of your iPhone. It also comes with magnets for other devices as well. Let's see, I think I missed part of the tape here, so let me get that off. There we go. There we go. Use my iFixit screwdriver. There's a little tape cutter. Here we go. So here is the magnetic ring. This is to add like to a case or something like that if it doesn't support MagSafe. I'm pretty sure this is just MagSafe compatible. I'm not using my iPhone today, but I do have, let's see, I do have a MagSafe case right here by itself, so we'll check that out, and I believe it should line, should line right up with that MagSafe magnet. So if this was an iPhone, or if there was an iPhone in here, or the back of your iPhone, you can just stick that to the back of your iPhone and you have a portable SSD to attach to your phone. Of course, very handy on the Pro models that you can record directly to. And then you have your USB cable right here, USB-C to C, of course. I believe it supports, it's USB 3.0, and it also, I think, will go up to USB 3.1 speeds. I saw on the box somewhere. Yeah, it was on the box somewhere, but up to 3.1, I believe. So that is what it looks like, and of course, if you have a phone, like if I really wanted to, I could stick this magnet on the back of my Z Fold 6 here, and I could make anything magnetic, but I don't want to put that magnet on the back of my Z Fold 6, so I'm not going to. But very, very nice. If you're going to be recording on your iPhone, you can have an external drive to do it, and this one is one terabyte, 2,000 megabits a second for, or megabytes a second for the read speed, and 1,800 for the write speed. So if it actually gets up to that, that would be pretty good. But I'm going to test this thing out. I actually do a lot of recording on my iPhone, so I'm going to actually be testing that out. I actually have a couple different ones to try out. Charge sent me one, their Disk Plus, that you put an NVMe drive in, so I'm going to be testing that one out. And then I have this one right here as well. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. I will leave links down in the description if you want to pick this up. And of course, you can check those other links out. They do have some discounts on there if you guys want to support the channel, like Plug Tech, Slick Wraps, stuff like that. Have a great day.